Hey, what's up guys? Craig from Flying Wheels. Today I'm doing a detail job on a 2015 GMC Sierra. The guy has 3 hairy, white, fluffy dogs, and we're trying to get all the hair out of the carpets. So the first thing I did, I have a compressor with a high compression air gun. I shot a lot of air into the carpets, and that pulled up a lot of the hair. If you guys don't have a compressor, you can try a vacuum. A vacuum will only pull so much, so you're going to really have to do some manual labor. So expect manual labor because all the hairs get stuck in the fibers of the carpets. So the first, if you have a pumice stone against a carpet will work really well. The second option that I have is a piece of rubber. This is actually just a plug that I took out of my Jeep Wrangler that keeps the water in, or you pull it out and the water drains out if you ever get water inside your Wrangler. But any piece of rubber, you can see this, is what I'm using. So I'm going to show you real quick what I did with the air compressor right now. Pet hair removal on a brand new truck. Before, oh my God. Okay, welcome back. Next we're going to use this piece of rubber, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Again, the vacuum doesn't really work, so you're going to have to do this and expect some manual labor, and you're welcome for the workout on your forearms. Let's get started. So here's the carpet. You can see what it was before to what it is now. The Typhoon, or the air gun, did a lot of the heavy lifting for me, but now you can see there's still a lot of hair in here. So I'm going to take this piece of rubber, just pull it along the carpet, and you can see it pulling everything up. So I'm going to put it in a bunch right here. Now, unfortunately, I'm going to have to do the whole floor like this, but I had already done a lot of the hard work. It was really bad before, and now it's just all the fibers. So it doesn't look like it's terrible around here, but when I start pulling, you start to see how much hair is actually stuck in the fibers. So this little piece of rubber cost me nothing. You can find a piece of rubber anywhere and just start pulling the hair right out of the fibers. And if you don't have rubber, you can use a piece of pumice, but the rubber does work best. That is how you get hair out of carpets in your car. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up so more people get to see this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful car videos. Thanks a lot, guys. See you later.